Safe journey, my darling.
Thank you, sweetheart. I will be back in 3 days' time. Samuel, the driver, will take me to the airport and bring the car back home.
Okay, darling. Samuel, please drive my husband carefully.
Okay, ma, I will. Please, sir, buy kilishi for me from your way back to Abuja.
I sure will. Do you want me to get anything else?
Anything you want to, sir.
Okay, no problem. Oh my goodness. Please turn back.
Why?
I just got a call that the senator is meeting with the president and our meeting is adjourned till next week.
I miss my kilishi.
Don't worry, I'll get it for you on my next journey to Abuja.
Okay, sir. Oh my goodness, there will be no show tonight.
Hey, Samuel, did you drop my husband at the airport? I'm glad he's gone for 3 days. I hope you know you cannot go home tonight. I'm going to give you the real show tonight, as usual. I like the way you ride my bicycle. In fact, I love you more than my husband. Samuel, go to the kitchen and take your food. The tonic wine is in the freezer. Drink it to energize you for the night duty. Don't forget to call your wife that you are passing the night here for a special duty.
So this woman has been doing all these things behind my back. This is the end of the journey. This is the end. I am ending this. What kind of nonsense is this?
No response? Okay, I know your problem, but I will give you the 30k and give your wife 5k for borrowing me her love for the night. Oh my God, I'm finally calm.
Lizzie, so you have been cheating on me all these days, despite the fact that I satisfy you with all your needs.
I'm so sorry, sweetheart.
Don't you call me your sweetheart. If I'm your sweetheart, you won't cheat on me. Shameless woman, my driver, ordinary driver, sleeping and squeezing you anytime I am away.
It's the work of the devil, darling. Please, forgive me. It won't repeat itself.
Stop lying against the devil. The devil is not at fault in this matter. Now go inside and pack all of your belongings and leave my house. Samuel, you are fired. So anytime I am not around, you have been sleeping with my wife. You've really missed a lot because I had great plans for you. I had very, very big plans for you. You see that new car I just got? I was planning to give it to you this night. You were the one I got the car for. I'm sorry. Now leave my house right now. Go and look for your job elsewhere before I arrest you or do something very dangerous to you. Leave my house.
I'm sorry, sir. Please, forgive me, sir.
Put yourself in my shoes. Can you forgive such person?
Please, pardon me.
So now, please, I am not going back on my words. You are fired. You are fired.
Thank you for taking care of me all this day. Thank you for firing me. I also thank you for not accepting my apology. But before I leave, I would like to go away with some precious property I have in this house. After all, your wife put me in all this mess.
What precious property?
My precious property, my gold, the lovely king of my life.
I don't understand you.
Out of your 3 children, the last born, who's supposed to be the only male, is my son. If you doubt me, DNA tests can prove me right. Your wife can confirm it. And God Almighty is my witness. Sir, I must go with my son.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Women, they are inevitable and unavoidable. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification button. And please, make sure you share, like, and drop a comment.